Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today we are starting Coleus from seed. Coleus is such an easy annual to grow from seed. It's beautiful. They come in so many different colors and they can live happily in many different lighting conditions. So let me show you which varieties of Coleus I am starting this year. So I've got a rainbow variety. This variety I start every single year, and I start a lot of it because it is such a low cost variety to find, and you get like a wide range of colors and shapes, and which is why they call it the rainbow variety, the rainbow mix. Okay, next up, right here we've got this one. I believe you pronounce it colcha rose. I'm not sure. I apologize for butchering that. But this one is super cute. Look at that. Love it. Next up, Folia mosaic. This one I know is going to be so gorgeous. I love that chartreuse color. Next up is the colcha sunset. Gorgeous. We've got Folia Picasso, which looks so beautiful. I love this. I can't wait to see this leaf here. So those are all the varieties that I'm going to start today. I will start more of the rainbow mix. I've got, every time I'm at the store and I see the Coleus seed packets, I always grab a few because it's a plant that I love to start from seed. It's so easy to start from seed, and it just does so well started like in at-home conditions, and then transferring it out to the garden. Like, it's just a really good, robust, little beautiful plant. So I highly recommend to anyone who wants some color, go with the Coleus. Even if you buy it from the store, go with Coleus for color in your beds, in your containers. Okay, so let's go ahead and plant these seeds. So I got the Coleus on the shelf on a heat mat. As long as your room is warm, you don't necessarily have to put your plants on a heat mat. I would shoot for a room temperature of at least 70 degrees. When I had my grow station upstairs, I didn't really use heat mats a lot, but now that I'm down here in the basement, I am utilizing them just to give it a little bit of extra heat. Right now my basement is showing 72 degrees, which is great. In the mornings with the cooler temperatures, it is colder down here, but as it warms up throughout the day, we're having some warm days here in winter, Ohio winter. So as the day warms up, it gets warmer down here. So I think they'll be fine. As I start more things, I will be, like, once the Coleus sprout, I'm going to take them off of heat. They should be able to self-sustain at that point. They would be fine if I didn't have the heat mat, but after they you know, pop out the soil, they'll be fine growing. But I just want to show you guys a little bit of some of the stuff that's going on down here. I started peppers. When did I start those? Like a week or two ago, and some of them are already up, so let me show you. So we've got some here. These are shishitos. We have some big Thai, serranos, jalapenos. What's back there? Whopper. It says Whopper hybrid. I'm not exactly sure what that is. I think it might be like a bell pepper or something. I've got some strawberries that are popping up, lemongrass back there. So I'm super excited. I also sowed some onions and leeks. My leeks are already up. My Southport Globe onions, which is a red onion, has started to come up, but the Walla Walla onions have not started coming up yet. I'm super excited. Having onions from seed. I have not done that yet, so I'm looking forward to it. Here's some of my cold stuff right there, looking good. And I filmed a video about setting up my cold frame for those. I just have not gotten around to editing it and getting it ready to go. Here are my begonias. These are from seeds I collected last year in the garden with some volunteer basil. I don't even know where this basil came from. There's two, one back there. But these begonias look amazing. What's awesome about the Jiffy greenhouses is that you can buy replacement peat. So once these all get planted out, I can buy new little peat pellets, pop them in there, and then use this tray again, which I am so in love with these trays. I just can't even like tell you. I just love them so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions about Coleus seeds. I'll link where you can buy them, and then like the Jiffy greenhouses, I'll link those too so that you guys can find them. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next video. Bye. Say bye, Storm. Say bye. Did you say bye? Meow.